Are you?
It's just square. That's a question.
I said, just show your displeasure.
Okay.
Without the allegation.
Yeah.
Well,
Well, I've heard of the wickedness and malicious attempt to malign my personality by claiming that or alleging that I forged a letter conveying a request to INEC for change of name during the time we were uploading our candidates in November. But I'm not surprised because as by providence, we discovered during that time when we were uploading the names, an existing carved signature, my signature, illegally carved by somebody, existing in this office without my knowledge. And then when I came back after that discovery, I wasn't in town, I now reported the matter to the police because I got wind of what was happening, that some names were sent to INEC without my knowledge, and I was wondering how could it be. So it was when I carried out that investigation and went to the police, and the police now conducted a very, very serious investigation into the matter that the man confessed that, yes, he was the one behind the whole thing. And to support that, the signature carved one is still there. It was not only carved signature, the man also had the seal of the party and the signature of the secretary of the party also carved. So he interchangeably, he could use, forge my signature directly like this or use the stamp at any point in time. So when we discovered that, they said we should. I said no. The police must carry out investigation, and they detained him for a few days and released him on bail. The case is still active at the FCT command. The case file on this matter is still active. So anybody, putting in some documents that I used to, forward a request to INEC by which was not true, may not be fair to me. So that's the much I know about it. The guy claiming that his signature was forged, there's no way somebody in Kano, there's no way the office here, the national headquarters here, can forge somebody's certificate in Kano and then get a certificate from the National Population Commission or go to hospital to get the something. We sitting here in Abuja, So whatever it is, maybe the person should deal with his people in Kano, and then sort themselves out. But the one I know is that I never forwarded any forged document to INEC, on changing anybody that I know, it's not done properly.
Thank you very much.
Asking you to apologize.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.